Alrighty, folks, are you shopping for a commercial building or perhaps a mixed-use building that is technically below a lot of lenders' thresholds of $1 million or maybe 500,000, and you can't get lending? Well, guess what? Uncle Steve can help you out. What's going on, buddy? What's the deal?
Happy New Year, first of all. I mean, yeah, last month I was doing quite a bit of that because I think we don't talk about that maybe enough, but small balance commercial is not that um, uh, available of a product for those types of borrowers because, again, most commercial lenders, they don't really touch anything under $1 million for most of the
Yep.
part because it just, the overhead and everything else,
Yeah.
the return on
The
that small balance.
profitability, the return.
Correct.
Yeah. Yeah.
Correct. So, but the way we're structured, we're pretty streamlined. You know what I mean? Our overhead
Yep.
isn't that high, and so for commercial, we'll actually go down to as low as 100,000. But
Wow.
specifically on loan amounts at 500,000 below, it's a no ratio loan as well. So again, no tax return, no pay stub, no W-2, no DSCR. So I'm
Yeah.
finding that there's certain pockets and even certain deals where just circumstance, either the borrower, they're more aggressive on their tax game, not going to
Yep.
qualify going full doc. Rents in the market somewhat kind of on the lower end to some degree,
Mhm.
and then of course loan amount range. Most commercial lenders aren't going to do that low of a loan amount. So on top of the fact my loan is a 30-year fixed loan as well, I think it's been very attractive because a lot of the deals I did last month were going to be owner occupied commercial. And
Yeah.
so the stability of a 30-year fixed loan versus like a bridge loan or like, temporary private loan for 12 months or whatever, they like
Yeah, I
the
mean, I think
process.
about this. I think about being an entrepreneur, a small business owner, who's going to occupy a mixed use building,
Mhm.
and they're aggressive on their tax returns. They found a little strip mall that they can put their in, and there's a couple of things that jump out at me. First off, they're going to want to do that because of President Trump's bonus depreciation, right? I think a
Mhm.
lot of entrepreneurs are going to want to buy buildings this year, 100 grand, 300 grand, 400 grand, 500 grand, because they're going to be able to take a large depreciation against that building on their tax return.
Right.
Second, I think a lot of business owners, they're aggressive on their tax returns on purpose. So they're not going to qualify for a full doc loan. And then you go to the fact that commercial lending is really not profitable below $1 million loan balance.
Mhm.
This is why you and Velocity Mortgage are going to become winners in this space. Something that both you and I forgot is let's do that marketing spiel right now. We'll get into that in a minute.
I was going to do that, but I didn't want to cut you off because you're in such a flow. So again, I work very happily for Velocity Mortgage Capital. All the ideas and topics discussed on this channel, that of my own. So otherwise, I think at this point, after 5.5 years, I think the audience kind of knows that, but it's good to cover that
Just
just in
in case.
case. Yeah,
Yeah.
you know.
It's more
But
about not getting in trouble for marketing. But yeah,
right, right.
that's
I think that the message from the channel I think has been well received and positive. So I don't think they're gonna have
oh
too much
good.
trouble. If we were doing some crazy, controversial stuff, they'd be like, we might want to distance ourselves with them. But
Yeah,
no, they
we're
love
pretty
us.
good.
Yeah, my
Yeah, there
company
you
loves
go.
us. Yeah.
But
So.
this is why I think it's a win-win-win for Velocity, because first and foremost, I've used your product right on
Mm-hmm.
multiple times. I actually used it on a mixed-use building.
Mm-hmm.
So it's I think 2026 is going to be an amazing year because I do think there's a lot of mom and pop operators who are renting space today
Oh yeah.
that it actually makes financial sense to buy the building,
Right.
right? So they can start, paying a mortgage. They can own it. They could also take advantage of the bonus depreciation and really
Correct.
whack
With
their
that particular
expenses.
now tax tool,
Yeah,
and then with
exactly.
our product for somebody
Yeah,
like mechanics, right?
yeah,
They're typically very cash heavy, and so their tax returns may not typically, reflect, or they're, I should say, are a little bit more aggressive in some of the write-offs. So in that case, they're going to find it more difficult to get conventional financing. So yeah, our product is very well received in that regard because again, we can offer 30-year fixed money with basically no, income documentation. And
yeah,
so, and now actually, another caveat to that, if you're doing a purchase of owner occupied commercial, owner user, right?
yep.
We would actually allow loan amounts up to 750,000 and below, no ratio. So now taking
Yeah,
advantage of buying your garage or whatever, taking that depreciation hit if that does apply and still
yeah,
saving you a ton of taxes. I think certain more savvier, maybe self-employed borrowers are going to maybe utilize that as a tool, especially if they're, very profitable. They can use
yeah.
that as kind of like, a write-off.
Well, this is how you build wealth. Again,
Right.
you build wealth by owning assets.
Right.
And again, owning a business is an asset. But if you can own a business inside a piece of real estate that you own as well and get all these tax benefits, it's like, winning the triple crown. It's win-win-win. And I
Correct.
think there are going to be a lot of business owners who talk to their accountants and realize that in 2026 they need to buy a building.
Right.
Right. The
Well, we're
tax
seeing
code
it.
is a reward system, not a penalty system. So pay attention.
Again, leveling up, know the game, know the rules, and then you know how to kind of play it to your advantage. And so, it's that old saying, don't hate the player, hate the game. If you know what the rules
Exactly.
are, you're going to win. So, no, I think you bring up a good point with with that new tax advantage. And so applying that with our, in addition to our tool to be able to pick up the property, in most cases where you wouldn't be able to get the financing, I think that would help out. Now, in addition to, the loan being 30-year fixed, you can even add, if you need, a little bit of a wiggle room to get the property really stabilized, you can do up to 10 years of interest-only payment option for the first 10 years of your 30-year fixed loan. So
Wow.
again, for small business owners that can kind of maybe see in the near future a little bit of,
Mhm.
a turbulence, maybe need a little bit of breathing room or get out of jail free card just in case in the first
Yeah.
10 years, but your
Yeah.
rate is fixed for 30. I think it's a great, alternative.
No, it's an amazing alternative. And again, I think there's going to be a lot of people that look at this that just think they couldn't buy it because again, buildings under $1 million, hard to get loans on. Tax returns not particularly pretty,
Yep.
at least from a lending perspective.
Mm-hmm.
And that's why, Velocity has always been a make sense lender, right? From our very conversations over 5 years ago, we're a make sense lender. We do our own thing. We don't follow, some market, box. And that's why they got to work with you, the best of the best at Velocity. And how do they reach out? Get something started.
Again, email is going to be the best. I was just going to mention, stop aging us, Mike. 5
Yeah.
years. Jesus, Mike. Why you got to say that?
I'm sorry.
I
My bad.
still, look, yellow don't crack, so don't give away my secrets. 5 years, maybe. But yeah.
That's funny. That's funny. But yeah.
Yeah, just shoot me an email. That's always the best. In the subject line, please put the acronym ORAAT, so to make it easier for me to find you in my tsunami of loans sometimes. Otherwise, the body of the email, a brief description, what you're looking for, mid FICO score, at least maybe city and state, if you don't know what the address, to make sure I lend there. And then best phone number to reach out, typically 48, 72 hours, I'll be in touch.
Folks, at the end of the day, 2026, business owners, single entrepreneurs, you need to buy a building. Again, this building is likely going to be below $1 million, and that's not a game that a lot of commercial banks play in. So reach out to Stephen Dow at sdow@Velocity Mortgage. Please remember, 5 letters and 5 letters only in the subject line, ORAAT, and Stephen will get back to you. Thanks, buddy. I appreciate you.
Thank you. Appreciate you.